In section 5.1, we're going to find the subtotal and total deposit when you make a deposit into your bank account. This is going to be very similar to when we did deposit slips back in chapter 4, except now instead of filling out the deposit slip, they're giving it to you as a word problem. So here's how it looks. A couple of examples for you for section 1. They want the subtotal and total deposit for the deposit we're going to make. And it says we're going to deposit 2 checks, one for $812.38 and the other for $74.50. And then we're going to receive $50 in cash. That means we're going to keep $50 of the deposit we're going to make. So to find the first part, the subtotal is going to be all of your deposits added together. So our 2 deposits here are $812.38, and we're going to add to that $74.50. That gives us a total of $886.88. That is your subtotal. Now, of that money, of that deposit we're going to put into our bank account, we're going to keep $50 of it. So the total deposit is going to be all of that money minus the money you're going to keep. So the $886.88, we're going to take that, subtract $50 from it, the $50 in cash we're going to keep. That's going to give us a difference of $836.88. So your subtotal would be $886.88. Your total would be $836.88. That is the 2 things we're looking for there. Now, sometimes your subtotal and your total will be the exact same thing. If you look at number 2, this is going to be an example of that. On this one, you're going to deposit a check for $35.28, another check for $61.88, and $90 in cash. All of this money is going to be deposited into your account. So to find the subtotal, we're just going to add all of those together. We've got $35.28. We're going to add to that $61.88. And then we're also going to deposit $90 in cash. That comes up to a total of $187.16. And then our total is going to be the subtotal minus any cash that you keep. Well, in this one, we're not keeping any of the cash. So we would just subtract 0 from it, which gives us the exact same thing for our total, $187.16. So sometimes those 2 will be the exact same thing. If you're not keeping any of the money that you're depositing, then you'll have the same subtotal and total. All right, that is how we do section 1.